Hello, I am in Westminster today. I came here to do some eyebrows for a client of mine and I'm spending some time with my grandparents today. So I'm picking up food and bringing it over to them. The restaurant is called My Fung and I'm picking up a few dishes for myself, my grandma, and grandpa. So come with me. Cái này của mẹ mẹ.
Cà rốt.
Bye ở nhà.
Màu xào đấy này.
Oh yeah. Dễ uống mẹ mẹ làm hả? Homemade Vietnamese yogurt. If you haven't had Vietnamese yogurt, you're missing out.
Hello.
Where are you going?
Beauty of Purple.
Yeah. Look who convinced me to take him so I can go tattoo his mustache. Tattoo. He didn't want them thick, so I'm gonna rub pigment over the top. We're gonna pretend this is how it looks like and get his reaction. He told me not to make the sides come up.
They just did ở ngoài.
I'm crying.
Hai cái đuôi.
She
Ok rồi.
Chắc tại Di uống rượu.
Không xong mà.
ngồi lên nó đẹp hơn á. Xong rồi.
Đầm. Hay làm you want?
Cái này thì đẹp. Đẹp không?
Được.
I just finished getting ready. I'm on my way to my middle school best friend Marissa's official book release for Julius the Moody. It's amazing. I'm so proud of you. Thank you for coming. Of course. Okay, so this is my farmer's market vibe. Yeah, so I had to come back and change my shoes. They're definitely more my vibe, so that's what we're doing with this outfit. Perfect! Yay! I'm gonna get me some heirloom tomatoes. These ones are on sale. The imperfect ones. You would never know. That was actually pretty cool looking. This will go great for my lettuce burger. Got a strawberry lemonade. Yum, that sounds fire.
It was $6.75.
Oh well, supporting local. I got me a Dungeness crab mac and cheese.
I need a bite.
$17. I got you a fork too, me lady. So we can enjoy this together. Oh wait, what about the hot sauce? Oh my god. Here.
No, you need hot sauce.
Ooh.
Wow.
And there's a hot man serving it to you.
We were talking about our allergies.
They were relating on their allergies. It was kind of cute.
Highly recommend Sam's crab mac and cheese.
Yay! Hey, love y'all. Love ya. See ya later. Love you. Love you. I got my heirloom tomatoes and I'm gonna go make this bunless burger. A bun would be nice. But I had my carbs for the day. So I cut up this tomato for my burger. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Very messy. It's all over my face. It feels like I'm diving my face into a bush. Okie dokie, so that's a little glimpse of my day. I literally just moved in, so don't come at me for not having bar stools and furniture. I was living downtown before I got into a relationship and the relationship didn't work out. And I came back to the place where I was happy, closest to my family. It's just been amazing. I've been so happy. I've been manifesting. I've been centering myself and I just love being alone. If you haven't lived alone before, I highly recommend it. Nobody's ruining your vibration. You wake up, you create your own vibes, and I will share more of my life with you as I progress. Okay, so I have 30 minutes to get ready to go to the strawberry farm. And we're also going to the petting zoo. We're going with my sisters. And my nieces, Cece and Gigi. I am so excited. Where are we going today, Cece?
Are you excited to see baby animals?
Không ngoại, cái xoài cái.
They're Miss sandals. She said, thank God I didn't wear my Dior sandals. Yay! We at the farm. Look, baby Ann, baby pig, baby Winston. What? 2 goats. Living life. You see the baby ducks and kittens. You want to see baby ducklings? Here it is. Ducklings and kittens. Oh, oh. There's your aunties. Baby like you. Wow. Closes at 5:30. We get here at 5:15.
Oh man.
We have like 15 minutes. Grab a box. Ew, look at the way she's running.
I'm gonna get a pound. We didn't wear the purple.
We? Think for yourself. This is what my ancestors used to do.
I used to pick the strawberry when I was young.
Look at Mama Fan putting in work.
Yep.
Look. Yummy. Could have filled the box, but I didn't want to go overboard. That's a lot compared to mine. Hannah just picking up anything. Family farm day was a success. A success. I knew I was gonna get a lot of strawberries too. And then Hannah just bought jam for the biscuit, and we're all gonna try it together.
Biscuit. And it didn't have any strawberry in it. It's National Strawberry Shortcake Day,
So she had to do it to him. And she making me a piece. I didn't expect that. What a
They didn't have any knives. Though.
Strawberry shortcake day. How did you find that out? Baked in a buttery, flaky crust. Hello, hi, người đẹp. Bye, love you. Well, we are home now. It was a successful day. I went grocery shopping. We got some strawberries that we picked from the farm. So these are my buys for today. Bye. Good morning. Just got up and drove to Anne's house. We are doing Father's Day. I haven't done my makeup yet. Kim's doing crab boil. And yeah, we're gonna have wine and have a good time. As always, cannot wait to spend time with my sisters and family. Kim be blessing us. Bless. Happy Father's Day. Ooh, all the sauces, the carbs. This is rice.
Well, when you get home, he's not going to eat anyway. He's going to be playing with his golf club that he just bought.
Well, me and her.
And then you tried to give her something. She said, no, 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 no. She's really picky on what she want to eat.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, say it to Sam so we can know, we all know how much to eat.
What? I said, no. So you better get an Uber because
She made her famous strawberry salad and carrot cake.
Like syrupy.
I can't even. There's always room for dessert.
She make it today too?
She made carrot cake too.
Oh.
Mmm.
And she make
The carrot cake is so good. It's so moist. Perfect amount of like softness.
And the frosting is not too sweet.
Thank
You
you.
like it now.
Thank you.
I'm full. We are home from family day, and I don't really have the energy to work out, but what better way to get some workout motivation than new gym outfits? We are rushing out to hot yoga. If you don't look like this after your workout, what are you doing? I'm going to go home, make my meals for the week, and prep for my busy week.